Come shopping with me in Beverly Hills for Chanel, Louboutin, and lots more. I'm here in Beverly Hills, so I figured we could do a little shop with me Beverly Hills vlog today. And this is an unlimited shopping spree. So I'm not sure though, I really don't have anything in mind. But the first stop we're gonna make is here at the Neiman Marcus. So I can't wait, guys. This is my first stop, and then I'm gonna go over to one block away is Rodeo Drive, so we can go to all the shops and see, what's new in the stores. So let's go ahead, guys. So I walked into the store. I had never been here before, and I was completely blown away by how gorgeous everything was. And as soon as I walked in, the first thing I spotted were these Louboutin crystal Cinderella type of shoes. I just spotted the Chanel boutique, so it looks amazing. I headed into the Chanel boutique and they were so nice to me. They told me so many amazing stories about Coco Chanel, of her time in Deauville. That's where she had her original boutique. That's where her first store was. I couldn't believe it. Not in Paris, but in Deauville. And then I did pick something up, which I'm going to show you later. And it is so cute. But then I headed downstairs to the beauty department, which was unbelievable. The fragrances that they had were just the selection. I had never seen so many, beautiful fragrances before that I was able to test. And the Victoria Beckham perfumes were there, and they smelled incredible. I was so in shock at how good they smelled. And they also had her whole line, and these are the Victoria Beckham perfumes, the fragrances. So then we headed out back to Rodeo Drive now, and so then we were going to head over to the Chanel boutique. There's my husband with Roxy, and we were just taking everything in Cartier, and they had a gorgeous Goyard boutique with the luggage right out front, and there really was no line for any of the stores. I mean, well, I'll show you in a moment, but when we did head to Chanel, the kiosk was actually in the back in the garden. So initially I thought there was no line, but then they directed us to the Chanel garden, and that was such a great experience too, because it is so stunning, as you're going to see in a moment. But it's just like this oasis in the middle of Beverly Hills, this beautiful garden, and the line was not that long. We did have to give our name. They said it was going to be about 20 minutes, but I really feel like it took about 5 minutes. And this store is gorgeous. We just left Chanel, and now we're going to Louboutin. So you're not waiting. So we headed into the Louboutin boutique, which is it's pretty much at the beginning of Rodeo Drive. So it's on the opposite side of Rodeo Drive. And then I tried on the cutest shoes that my husband did pick these out for me. I'm not sure if I told you that already, but he picked these out. I believe these are called the Pumpy, and they're the rounded toe. And I did get a size 39 and a half. So normally I get a size 39, but I did have to half size up with the Louboutin. I guess they run a little bit small. So then here I am outside the shop, and so I had such a good time. We just left Louboutin, and I got these they really remind me 90s style. And my husband picked them out for me, so I'm so happy. He he picked them out. So they're round cap toe. I'll show you guys when I get home and when I get back to our house. And then I also got here a perfume, but they're shipping that to me because they were all sold out. So it's one of their new fetish perfumes. So love that. And I wait till I show you my shoes. I'm so happy. I have Louboutin one pair, but I could never really wear them. So I'm gonna show you everything I got. Show you a little unboxing now, exactly, of the shoes that I picked up. So it does come in the beautiful Louboutin packaging with the red bow, and so I just could not believe it. I was so happy to get these shoes. I have worn them already. They're not as uncomfortable as many people say. I actually did wear them for a few hours before my feet started to hurt. But I can't wait to show you the exact pair that I picked up. Again, these are just very 90s style. They are very nostalgic. I feel like this is a classic Louboutin shoe design. And so it comes with the bag. It does come with additional studs for you to put on the shoe, the heel of the shoe. And so if those get worn, you can just replace them with these replacement studs that they give you, replacement heel you know, those padding that go on the end of the heel. So that was really nice, very thoughtful. And then again, you get the bag. Now, I normally was not keeping my dust bags for my shoes, but now I see that when you travel, you really want to keep those bags so that the shoes don't get scratched and things like that. So I definitely am going to keep my bags from now on. I hadn't been keeping them, and I really wish that I had, because I do have patent leather shoes that I brought with me and they were kind of getting scratched. So here are the shoes that I picked up. They're absolutely gorgeous. Again, I feel that they are pretty comfortable, not as uncomfortable as, again, as many people say. You do get that Louboutin toe cleavage effect, which the essay at Louboutin was telling me so much about. People just love that toe cleavage. And so if anybody needs an essay at Louboutin, definitely message me, because he gave me all his info and said I could share it with my friends, so he can mail you different things if there's something special that you're looking for and you can't find anywhere else. So here's how they fit. They slip on like a dream, and they're, again, super comfy, and I just think they feel amazing on. I truly can't describe it. You do feel very sexy when you wear these shoes, and I've worn them since I got them many times, and I just felt incredible in them. You feel very sensual for some reason. I'm not sure exactly why, but you just feel very sexy. Maybe, again, it is that toe cleavage, it's the arch of your foot, it's just everything, how it makes you look. And guys, I gotta show you. Did I tell you? I'm so on cloud nine, so I can't remember. But I got the cutest Chanel pink backpack, caviar. I don't think I got to show you. So this is the bag that I wound up picking up. It's the mini backpack, and it did also come in black with silver toned hardware, and it also came in a navy color with multicolor CC, the Chanel logo on it, and I believe other kind of charms, decorative, design in multicolor. I actually like that one. I almost liked it better, but it was canvas or a cotton like material, so I figured I would go for the caviar. It's more classic. I love the quilting. It fits a ton. It fits my cell phone. It's so easy to get your credit cards out when you're shopping. It does come with this chain that you can adjust, and you can wear it 3 different ways. So you can wear it crossbody, as a traditional backpack, or as a shoulder bag. So I love this bag. It's a beautiful pink color, but it also translates to kind of a lilac shade, very pale purple, which I just love. And then I also got this twilly, which is pink and black and white. I love it so much. The SA was good enough to tie it on my bag for me. You can also tie this in a bow on your bag, and it looks so cute, and so it's really great also to protect your handles. So then after I did my shopping on Rodeo Drive, I headed into Sephora in Pasadena, which is where we are staying. And so this is one of my favorite Sephora boutiques of all time, because they just have every single brand. Everybody is so helpful and so nice. So I did do a huge haul, which I will show you guys in another video. I think I already posted that video. But I got so much great new makeup. Love these blushes from ABH. Those are the serum blushes. So I do have that video up to show you everything that I picked up. But this one is so good too. This is a Makeup by Mario setting spray that I really love. So there is so much great new makeup in store. And then this is something that I did also pick up. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Advent Calendar. So this is a beauty box filled with so many gorgeous, I think it's 12 days of beauty. So I got the Pillow Talk lip cheat lip liner in my box, and I got a magic cream, which also makes an amazing makeup primer. And I got, let's see here, this is the Beauty Light Wand, I believe, and Orgasm. I believe that's the shade of this one. So it's a beautiful blush with kind of a shimmer to it. And then there is also the Pillow Talk mascara in this beauty advent calendar from Charlotte Tilbury, which I do have a promo code for. I will link it down below if you want to pick it up on the Charlotte Tilbury website. I have a code, so you'll get 15% off. This makes a great gift for yourself or your loved ones this holiday season. So actually they might have it. I think they have it. No, just for the holidays, I do believe. It's limited edition. So as you can see, there's so much amazing products that come in this beauty advent calendar. This is the legendary Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in this gorgeous red shade. And so there is so much good makeup in this box. I could not believe it. This is actually the Airbrush Flawless Finishing Spray, which I truly love. I've been using this every day and it's just such a staple now for me. And so again, I will have my code linked down below so you can pick this box up for yourself. Or again, it would make an amazing holiday gift, but you're getting skincare in the box, you're getting makeup, you're getting so many good things in this advent calendar from Charlotte Tilbury. So I will again have everything linked down below.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough.
Another one of my favorites that I spotted in Neiman Marcus were the Mackenzie Childs Halloween and fall collection, which I did pick up a few things I'll show you guys in another video. So that's pretty much it for my shopping haul. Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you beauties very soon.